Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very impressive movement. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but then the price was able to fight its way back upwards. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But my point here is nice move there, which leads to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $11.15. Now, why is $11.15 helpful? Why is that important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to this area, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side, though, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined, again, is that 11.15 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch moving forward, all about that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, currently valued right around the 12.50 mark. So watch that closely. But anyway, look at it. Nice bounce today. Good momentum. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.